The Sealey range of cold seal butt connectors. The Sealey range of cold seal butt connectors require no heat for installation, making them ideal for use near fuel lines or flammable materials. They're quick and easy to install. Simply push the cable into the end of the connector. The connector contains a cell of adhesive which is pierced when you insert the cable. This quickly sets to help prevent water ingress. Then the cable enters the crimp section until it hits the stop end. All that remains is to crimp the connector and the job is complete. The connectors are supplied in packs of 10 in the following sizes: red for 4.3mm diameter cable, model number RTC-S10, blue for 4.5mm diameter cable, model number BTC-S10, and yellow for 5.9mm diameter cable, model number YTC-S10. For further details of these and our other products, please visit our website at sealey.co.uk. The Sealey range of cold seal butt connectors. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.